In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create share links to OneDrive files. We'll walk through the whole process step by step so that by the end, you'll know exactly how to grab a link you can safely share with coworkers, clients, or friends. I'll also point out a few important sharing options so you stay in control of who can see and edit your files. First, open your web browser and go to the OneDrive website, then sign in with your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your OneDrive home screen with all your folders and files. Take a moment to locate the file or folder you want to share. You can use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of items and don't want to scroll. When you've found the file, hover your mouse over it or click once to select it. You should see a toolbar appear at the top of the page or a small menu off to the side. Look for the Share option and click it. This is where all of your link sharing settings leave. A sharing panel will open, usually on the right side or in the center of the screen. At the top of this panel, you'll see who the link will work for. It might say something like, anyone with the link, or people in your organization. Click this area to adjust the link settings. Here, you can choose whether anyone with the link can open it, only people in your organization, or only specific people you name. You can also decide if they're allowed to edit the file, or if they can just view it. For sensitive documents, it's usually best to limit access and turn off editing unless it's really needed. After choosing the audience and permissions, confirm your settings so you return to the main share panel. Now you'll see a button to copy the link. Click Copy Link, and OneDrive will generate a unique URL for that file or folder and place it on your clipboard. From here, you can paste the link into an email, a chat message, or anywhere else you communicate, like a project management tool. Just remember that if you ever want to stop sharing, you can return to that file in OneDrive, open the Share menu again, and either change the link settings or remove the link entirely. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly create share links to your OneDrive files while keeping control over exactly who can see and edit your content.